We have Maria in the kitchen, biting on those delts though. I just made us some breakfast. I do not know the macros, but regardless, this looks delish. Ari has her little protein going on here. And Clay is eating the same thing that I am eating. Delish. Go as high as you can. Oh, down.
No, it's a little.
Okay, ready? Go. All right, it is going down. Kiana is making some homemade guac. And we are having some wine tonight. Don't mind if we do. Family night in. It's been too long. We are having a homemade cheese board, some salami, a baguette. What kind of cheese is this again, Kendra? It's like cheddar truffle something from Trader Joe's. And what we're gonna use to dip Kendra's homemade guac, and she made homemade flour tortilla chips. And they're so good. They look like pita chips, but they're like 50 times better. Wifey in the kitchen. Maria, aka Maria.
I want some more.
What's my name?
I want some more.
You have to tell me my name first.
I want some more.
What's my name? Uncle Nee?
Uncle Nee.
Uncle Nee. High five. High five. Yeah. Yes, queen. Get in my belly. What is going on, fam? Welcome to this video. We are going in to make the gains right now. It is March 27th today, Tuesday, 11:30. I'm to the gym, about to meet up with Maggie and Randy. Randy's back in town from Canada. Both my Canadian friends, super excited to see both of them. I made my go-to pre-workout or post-workout protein shake. It's really good because it's really nutrient dense and it has protein in it. And then me and Maggie are actually planning a trip in June with her and my friend Leanna Carr, and we're planning on going either June or July. So if you guys have any suggestions on places to see in Greece or in Italy, please comment below. So we gotta get this body tight for summer, you know what I'm saying? But do you remember this oldie but goodie? Pre-workout before pre-workout. With all the bags, as you see, and that is her nickname. Currently trying to book our trip to Italy and to Greece, but I'm here at Sweetgreens and I'm having this salad. This is actually, I want to say, my first time that I've ever had Sweetgreens, maybe my second, I don't remember. Anyways, so I got mixed greens, some chickpeas and carrots, and I got tofu actually.
It's so good.
It's so good. I'm gonna try it. Look at my little Canadian is back. Whose almost birthday is it? Are we getting lit for your birthday or what? Hell yeah. I miss you. We're back home. Oh, everyone say hi to Danielle. Hi. This is my roommate. But so for now, I was really trying to think about what I need. More than anything, I need to get in protein because I'm at like maybe 45 grams of protein. So I'm probably gonna have either 4 to 5 servings of egg whites. And then I'm gonna go ahead and have fruit, because fruit is really, really good for you. And naturally, you might think I'm crazy. I'm just not somebody who goes to fruit as a carb source, but it is really, really good for you to have fruit daily, multiple times. All right, people, nothing special here. I just have 4 servings of egg whites, a little bit of Himalayan salt and some pepper, and then I have about a half serving of medium-sized banana. If you guys don't know my YouTube uploading schedule, now you know, because I'm going to tell you. I upload new videos every Monday and every Wednesday at 5 p.m. PST. Make sure that you do turn on my post notification, meal timing, and the importance of meal timing. So a lot of people have all these misconceptions, and it's like, oh, get it in here, get it in here. Like, it's so important to have protein after your workout, or else you're going to shrivel up and you're going to die and you're going to fall over and you're going to have no muscles ever. So the real truth to that is meal timing somewhat comes down to preference, but one thing that's definitely very vital is to make sure that you are getting in adequate protein for you every 5 hours minimum. So I would say, this is also what I have my clients go by. Again, this is just gonna be very generalized, maybe 20 to 25 grams of protein every 5 hours. That's minimum. If you have more in a sitting than that every 5 hours, then that's totally fine. And that being said, you want to make sure that you're getting in protein so that it continues recovering your muscle, replenishing everything in your body, and also like producing muscle and stuff like that. It's called protein muscle synthesis. Okay, get it right, get it tight. Sorry, I'm playing with my hair. It's rare when your girl does it, so you know it's nice to touch. One of the best times to get in carbs. When you work out afterwards, your muscles are depleted of glycogen. So if you eat within a 3-hour window after you're done working out, they're more likely to absorb and store more glycogen. So therefore, the next day, you'll have a more fueled workout because you'll have more energy with more glycogen by feeding them when they're mostly depleted. That is like one of the more beneficial times to get in carbohydrate. Meal timing, as far as carbs and fat goes, that's gonna be preference and that's gonna be up to you. So if you're somebody who's counted macros, then you probably have an idea of how much you need before you go into a heavy lifting day, how much you need before you go into a lighter lifting day, stuff like that. And when you count macros, you'll learn that it is preference. But to give you just like an idea, before I actually go into workouts that are heavier days, I'll have like minimum 40 carbs, again, like minimum 25 grams protein, and then my fat always varies. But if it's like a lighter day, you know, I'm doing just like accessory movements and I'm not really like gonna be like really doing big compound movements that are just gonna take a lot out of me, I will usually have anywhere from like 20 to 25 grams of carbs, and then again minimum 25 grams of protein, and then fat always varies for me. So that is really the importance of meal timing. Honestly, that's as simple as it is. And that is gonna conclude this video. Full day of eating with Noel and some knowledge, dropping bombs. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel and always watching and liking and commenting. You guys are the best. Make sure that you do not forget to, if you haven't, hit that subscribe button and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next video. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Gonna hit that subscribe button.